Hi everyone. Today we got this Wharfedale Linton 85th anniversary limited edition monitor speakers. These are pretty big monitor speakers, come with its own stand. You can buy the speakers separately, but they also offer combination with the high quality speaker stands. Today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing video and initial impression of the speakers. Let's get it started. It's very tight fit in here. There you go. This one is adjustable as well. Let's get the speakers out. And this is the foam that they use for these speakers. Put it aside. This comes with white gloves. Nice. I always like that. And then this pouch. So this is, it's a 85th anniversary limited edition Linton. So it just show you how to set it up. So this one is base reflex 3-way design. Sensitivity is 90 dB, which can be very helpful for the any amplifiers. And this has the quality silicone footers that go under the speaker. So tight. So packaging is very good. You're not gonna have a damaged speakers by those rough handling shipping companies. And oh, looks beautiful. Okay. So I'm looking at the bottom of the speakers. Okay. By the way, this is a real veneer, my friend. Not a cheap vinyl wrap. This is a grill, very thick, and it has a unique cutout on this very thick plastic. Probably like 3/4 of an inch thick, very solid plastic. It's classic British design. It looks beautiful. Alright, it's pretty heavy. There you go. 5 or 5¼ inch mid-range driver, 8-inch bass driver, and 1-inch soft dome tweeter. It looks beautiful. Very nice looking. I think they might have a mirror finish as well, like Denton 80th anniversary speakers. And let's see the back of the speakers. Sorry. So this is back of the speakers. I can't wait to listen. I have to finish this quick. I got the one speaker out. I'm gonna get another one out and I'm gonna show you close-up shot. Overall, build quality is solid, very solid speakers. So there's another pack of white gloves and silicone bunks inside the package of the stand. For time being, I'm gonna put next to each other so I can do a close-up shots on them. Let's see if I can lift it. Usually I don't like to use those white gloves because it's a bit more slippery than the using bare hand. It does have a protection mesh inside the base reflex port, so I'm not going to be able to get in there with my endoscope camera. Very impressive. The quality, fit and finish, nothing to complain. It has the very high quality spikes, very high quality stands, very high quality build. So this is one of the probably the most impressive speaker that I come across in this price range, because the whole package, stand, speakers, everything, complete package, my friend. This is a beautiful setup. So this is just the unboxing and initial impression of the speakers. As usual, I will have the sound demonstration and my review up as well. So thank you for watching.